Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you if you are a freelancer or if you have some skills, if you have like any skills, and if you are at home, if you are looking for a part-time job and you want looking for freelance sites. There are normally people who know only the famous freelance sites, but there are few sites which are not known to the like majority of the people. So I'm going to reveal you some websites which I'm not going to go in depth. I'm just going to show you the websites which are like not known to many people, but really these are all like genuine and high quality sites, because in general people just talk about the normal freelance websites, but this is going to be the ones which you might have not even thought of, or you wouldn't have even come across such sites. Okay, so that's what it is. If you are a freelancer, this is going to really help you. That's it. Okay, let's jump onto the video. If you're first time watching, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I do some new videos like this, and it truly helped me a lot to grow my channel, so I totally appreciate that. Anyway, so straight to the video now. So what I was talking about is, people nowadays, they want to do freelance jobs. They want to do freelance, whatever the graphic designing, logo design, whatever the skills you have. You don't need to work for a company. You can work for different, you can join different sites and you can start working. Normally people, they talk about Fiverr. This is like, this is the most the topmost site which I myself go a lot, and I work as well. I mean, as I take a job lots from there. I give work to lots of people. But having said that, this is a place which is like the best, the cheapest, but it is so saturated. If not, what will be the next one? Freelancer.com. This will be the next one you'll be going in order to have freelance, in order to get freelance jobs. This is like the next one. Then we have Freelancer, which you might not know. Many people don't know. But what I'm going to show is nothing like this. Okay, whatever you're seeing is, this is where you might be knowing it in a general public. Many people know about these sites. But I'm going to show you 3 sites which are like been there for quite some time, and they are like genuine and they pay on time. That's the most important thing. So this video is all about showing you these 3 websites. Okay, the first website today is, here we go. Okay, this is the website. It's called Forum Wheel. Note it down. This is going to be something different to what you have seen. I mean, like as I said, you might have not even heard about it, because you'll get to know only if you're through any of the courses. Through any of the courses you buy, you will get to know these sites. Normally you will not hear from normal like videos, YouTubes and stuff. Okay, this is a site where if you are good at writing, this could be really a good site. I'm not going to go into how to register all this stuff. I'm just going to show you the websites where you can go and explore and start making money. Okay, so this is, earn money posting on forums. See, if you are 2 things, people who want, they come and buy. That's something but we as a freelancer, or like if you are a writer, this is a place you have to come. See, are you a writer? Earn money online can often require difficult and tedious work. You can spend hours writing articles. So this is something like, there's no specific. I have shown you other sites where you have to have specific skills to write. This is like, you can be in different topics. You can come and write here. You can see no strict requirements, no limit of what you can earn, and have fun while learning. So this is like a place where if you're a writer, you're going to have lots of fun. And it's like, see, this is what they say, exchange posts. People who are forum owners, they also will join, and they can also get to buy from these people like you and me. So now we are talking only as a writer, or like if you are a freelancer who are good at writing, content writing, this could be a place to start with. So this is the first website I want to show you, Forum Wheel. Come and explore it. All about what's all this. See, they are showing the recent payouts and stuff. It's going to be, see, this is what it is. You can't expect big amount. But rather than going and joining, of course, I'm not saying not to join Fiverr and Freelancer, Truelancer. These are all saturated, so much competition. So what this website is going to help you is like, less competition, and you have like, I mean, if you've seen this video or if you've heard about it, it's okay. I mean, the more and more it gets exposed, it's going to be more and more competition, right? So this is what I'm trying to say. So as soon as go try to join. It's free to join, and then like it's all about skills, guys. If you have skill, can go and make money. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, this is what the first one. It's called forumwheel.com. I'll leave a link below, but just check it out. You can note it down. The second one, it's also for freelancer. Why I keep saying freelancer is, it's becoming like a trend. The last video which I did was the biggest issue is like, you see this one, I think. Where's the video? Yeah, one of the video I did was people, they are freelancer, they are working Fiverr. What happens is that you don't get clients, right? So this is something, a video I did last time. It's about, even if you have a skill, you will struggle to get clients. So this is a video, if you want, I leave a link below, you can watch it, how to get that clients. It is tough. It's going to be tough. There's no doubt about it. Your first 3 months, first 6 months is going to be really, really hard work in order to get that first client. Once you get the client, you can get more and more jobs. So this is like, if you are into Fiverr or Freelancer, this is what you have to wait for that client, how to get all those things. But with these websites, what happens is that it's like a platform where they require people. This is like a platform where if you have a skill, go and join. This is like onespace.com. If you see, it keeps coming up. The positions like this keeps coming up. You can always keep an eye. See this? They need image and graphic designers. We are looking for graphic designers. Sometimes, see, if you're good at Photoshop and InDesign, you have really, really good chance. Many of these jobs will be remote based, because these are all like, you don't need to go to office and work, right? But check it out. Some might be only on the location they want. Some might be on remote. Most of them will be remote. So that's why I'm trying to say this is a place where you have to register and keep, regularly keep in touch, and they will let you know about this. See, this other one is English and language transcription. Transcription is basically whether you listen to an audio, change to typing text, or from the image you change to typing text. So this is what the transcription does. So this kind of position keeps coming in, but this is an advanced level graphic designer, and this is intermediate level. So what I'm trying to say is, if you're a freelancer, you can't just depend on a Fiverr. You can't just depend on a freelancer. You have to have like Upwork, Conquer. Just have like all these websites put together, register and keep. And those are websites where you have to keep looking for the clients. But these kind of websites where they look for the positions, freelance positions, where you go and join and you work for them, kind of like remote. But you won't have that freedom of working on like a marketplace and places like this. There's a difference between that. There, only when you get a client, you work for them. Other times you're free. But there are disadvantages and advantages, you know what I mean? So there you have to wait for the client. That's why I did the other video where to show you where direct, kind of like a hard, like a different style of approaching clients and how to get clients, for the first 3 or 6 months. So that's one style of getting it. But these kind of jobs where they are looking for a freelancer, you work for them. So this is the two different things. Okay. So this is the second website. Go and explore it. I'm not showing you all those basic registration process. These are basic. But what I'm trying to show you, these are all genuine websites which has been there for quite some time, and they will pay you on time. So this is like regular ones, which is like onespace.com. Check it out. Second one. The third one, Clear Voice. I'm sure like 95% of people wouldn't have heard about this, because when you get to know these websites, as I said, as part of the courses, like when you buy those expensive courses, they'll tell you, how to make money and stuff, right? So that's how we come to know all these things. Okay. So anyway, so this is a place where you come and whatever your skill have, showcase your freelancing career with your free CV portfolio. You come here and create a portfolio, and you have to tell what you have and stuff, more than freelance writing jobs and entrepreneur ladder. So it's like, as I said, these are places where you get the job. If you are a graphic designer, you go tell them this is something you're going to get the job for. You work for them. It's kind of freelancing, but it kind of working, but it's going to be remote and stuff as well. But what I'm trying to say is, it's not like you go and chase for the client. So these are different websites where if you have a talent, see who is in a talent network. All these people like copy editor, ghostwriter, content. See this, imagine these are kind of jobs you should be good at. This is like a photographer, like ghostwriter and photographer. This is a copy editor and content, for the content. Writing, this is copywriter. So what I'm trying to show is, these are all like some skills you have. So your two biggest questions about freelancing, how do I get paid, how do I get assignments? So I don't want to go through each and everything. What I'm trying to say is, these are all top websites. You can check through the Trustpilot and all those places before. Even though I say and show you these websites, it's your own research you do also in order to make sure that it's genuine as well. Okay, I might be right, I might be wrong. To 90% of the time, I'm trying to show you the genuine website. Might be this ones which I've done might like 3 years, 4 years back. Now it might not be good, but to my own testing and stuff, 90% I have checked it, either me or through my network. I know, these are all the places where people make money. That's why I show these websites. But your responsibility as well, check anything. Never go pay anything on any website. You might end up working something, but don't pay on anything and to work on anything. Okay, don't do that. After you get the job, they take you charge, like in Fiverr, these places, Fiverr, Freelancer, Truelancer, whatever. They might take a charge after you get a job. They might take some commission. That's fine, but don't end up paying on something to in order to join and stuff. Don't do that. Then means something wrong. Okay, so be careful on that. So 3 sites for today. I don't want to long the video, just straight to the point. Forum Wheel, One Space, and the Clear Voice. Check it out. I'm sure it will be beneficial for somebody who's watching now, whether you're a writer, content writer, whatever it is, your skill. Go check it out. You have very good opportunity with these websites where they sometimes regularly post, or you go and generate a CV like this, like they say, like you create a CV portfolio and leave it to them, and you have a good chance of getting jobs with them. It's a less competitive compared to the Fiverr and Freelancer. That's the reason I wanted to put this video together, so you get to know about this. That's it, guys. It's straight to the point video. So if you're first time watching, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. It will truly help me to grow my channel. I appreciate your support. Any doubts, please comment below. I'll reply to it. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.